Hi, my name is Marlena Lopez from Veterinary Adventures. I am a final year Doctor of Veterinary Medicine student in Australia, and I just picked up my second part-time job as a Kennel Attendant and Veterinary Nursing Assistant. I wanted to create this little video to tell you about what I do in this position. So I already work part-time as a veterinary nurse at a bird and exotic animal clinic in addition to my full-time veterinary studies. However, I wanted to pick up a second job at an emergency center and gain a little bit more veterinary experience before graduation. As a kennel attendant and veterinary nurse assistant, I am responsible for recording animal health statuses, which we also call TPRs, cleaning and sanitizing animal cages, feeding and walking animals, as well as animal handling during medical procedures and setting up fluid lines and administering medications. Working part-time throughout vet school instills a hard work ethic, and I've also learned a lot about how different clinics are run and have gained a true appreciation for the different roles required for a veterinary clinic to operate efficiently. So I've really enjoyed working in clinics on my path to become a veterinarian, and I have developed a lot of clinical skills that I will be able to use within my future career. I hope I was able to provide you with a little bit of insight about what I am doing in my new position as a vet nursing assistant and kennel attendant, and thank you for watching.